Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I will show you how we can add another account to Google Play Store. Open Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, select Add Another Account, use your verification method, in my case it will be pattern, then input your email, click Next, and then input your password. When you input password, you have to click Next, tap Agree, you can save or not save your password, and after a few moments you are able to switch between accounts in your Play Store. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.